Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and I'm inside a brand new 2019 Nissan Titan. This is going to be a little bit different kind of review. I'm just kind of testing the waters on different review styles, kind of see how it goes. So today we're going to take a walk around look at this brand new 2019 Nissan Titan. Already stated in the introduction, this is a 2019 Nissan Titan. This is a Pro 4X crew cab. It is painted in the striking Moab Sunset Orange Pearl Metallic. It is a two-tone paint treatment, so it has the gun metal lower accents. And it just looks absolutely stunning in the sunlight. Looking up front, you have a body color grille surround with the Titan logo. Huge Nissan front badge. My hand in comparison is just absolutely gigantic. You have a front camera mounted center. Tow recovery hooks in the gunmetal bumper. LED fog lamps with chrome bezels. Projector beam headlamps. LED turn indicator or LED driving lights and incandescent turn indicators. A profile look of the truck. The only thing I do wish it would have is the body color door handles. Large Titan V8 badging. Pro 4X badging on the bed. 18-inch General Grabber tires. They are AT tires. They're all terrain. They measure 275/70 R18s. You've also got the black painted wheels. Pretty chunky off-road tread. And this truck is remote start. Operating is very easy. With Nissan, you have to lock it, then press and hold the remote start button. All right, now we're going to take a look inside. And inside is pretty nicely equipped, as you can see here. Black leather seats, silver accent stitching, perforated inserts, Pro 4X badging, 8-way power driver seat. You got adjustable lumbar support here. Padded armrest on the doors as well as inserts. Chrome door handles. Of course, you got power heated automatic dimming mirrors, power windows, power door locks. Does have the premium 12-speaker Fender audio system. Seats have 2-driver memory. Multi-function switches. You have your fog lamp control. You have your 120-volt AC outlet, cargo lamp, headlight adjustment, rear differential locker, hill descent control, instrument panel brightness and dim, as well as your trip reset, automatic headlamp control. You have a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Of course, the steering wheel is leather wrapped. Alrighty, nice fluid, easy to use power assisted steering. As stated before, it is a leather wrapped steering wheel. Satin silver trim on the spokes. Multifunction controls for your audio and Bluetooth and voice controls, as well as your cruise controls. do have instrumentation. You have an 8,000 RPM tach with an embedded coolant temperature gauge, 140 mile per hour speedometer with your fuel gauge. You have an LCD display in the middle. You have off-road screens, a couple of auxiliary gauges with transmission temperature as well as your battery volts. Next page shows your oil pressure and oil temperature, four-wheel drive status, pretty basic stuff. Alright, let's move over to the top of the dash. It is a padded vinyl, soft touch material. It does have accent stitching for a really nice upscale look. You have satin silver bezels around the air vents on either side of the control center. Chrome accents, push button start, shift on the fly four-wheel drive transfer case. You do have a GPS navigation inside this touchscreen display. It's an overall pretty nice display. I think it's a little bit small though. Hitting the camera button activates your front view cameras. Active guidance lines. 360-degree surround view camera. Placing the vehicle in reverse. Activates your rear view camera. Also with active guidance lines. You've also got a blue center line. Line it up so you can see it. Blue center line here to aid in lining up your trailer with the ball hitch, and still your 360 surround view camera. Alright, moving down. You have dual automatic climate controls. Fan speed control, mode select, recirculate and fresh air. Moving down, traction control, parking sensors, four-way power switch, blind spot, and heated steering wheel control. Very conveniently, this vehicle does have an integrated trailer brake control. You have adjustable gain from 0 all the way up to 10. Manual adjust. 2 USB ports, auxiliary input jack. Heated and ventilated seat controls. Small amount of storage. Power point. Cup holders and all that kind of good stuff. Overhead, you have an automatic dimming rearview mirror, 3-channel HomeLink universal garage door opener. Moving across the center console, you have your sunglasses storage, individual reading lights with dome override, Nissan SOS control, your power sliding rear window, nice large padded cloth sun visors. Does feature illuminated vanity mirrors. And of course the sun visors do slide out on extensions. And overhead, you have dampened overhead assist handles. So overall the interior is actually a very, very nice vehicle. Alright, now let's take a look at the rear seat. Being a crew cab, rear seat is very nice and very spacious. And the rear seat in this truck seats 3 across. It is a 60-40 split folding seat. Seat bottoms fold up. Seat backs can also fold down, however you wish. Overhead assist handles, overhead reading lights. And the box has the bed cleats for the Utilitrack system. Nice big cup holders, positional air vents, outboard heated seat controls for the outboard seats. One 12-volt power socket, 2 USB ports, and the 120-volt 400-watt AC system, or power outlet. Seat back mount pockets. Center armrest folds down to reveal 2 more cup holders. On the back of the seat, there's a strap you can pull, and you can lower the seat flat. You have child anchors, seat anchors. Or you can lift the seat up It locks in place. It's a release handle here, grocery bag hooks. Can make a nice platform, or you can open it up to reveal some storage, which does lock. All right, let's go ahead and open the hood. I'm going to walk around to the front. Hood opens on hydraulic struts. And here's what powers the Titan. It is a 5.6 liter dual overhead cam, 32 valve endurance V8 engine, which creates 390 horsepower and 394 pound-feet of torque. And this engine is mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission. It is a column-mounted shifter with manual shift capabilities, as well as tow haul mode. All right, let's take a look at the rear of the vehicle. The Titan has a 5.5-foot bed on the crew cab. Huge Pro 4X decals on the bed. All right, down below, you have the bed assist step, which for my feet is hard to get out, but it does offer a nice platform to get up into the tailgate area or the bed area. Class 4 receiver hitch. You've also got 4-pin as well as 7-pin wiring. Ultrasonic parking sensors in the rear. Within the tailgate release handle, you have your rear camera. It is a locking tailgate. Opening it up, it reveals that it's also dampened, which is very, very nice. Plastic bed liner or tailgate liner. You have a spray and bed liner, Nissan's Utilitrack utility rails. Inside the cardboard box, inside the truck, are the cleats that actually go into the channel rails here. Pretty nice bed though. Very, very small wheelhouses, which is uncommon in a pickup truck. You can also see you have some illumination here for the tailgate, as well as LED lights in the bed and the cargo lamp in the third brake light housing. Power socket. Tailgate is very lightweight and it actually lifts up very easily due to the assist system. Go and kick the step up. Alright, so as you can see, the Nissan Titan Pro 4X is actually a pretty nice vehicle. Very nice truck. I love the color. It's getting to be a little bit dated, however. It's due for a redesign for sure, especially on the interior. You got small screens with not very good resolutions either. They're showing their age. But overall, the truck is very nice. And if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below, especially with this new format. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhood car reviews. Of course, as always, thanks for watching.